We are going to install an AI app like ChatGPT on our computers and laptops. Let's go. The software that we are going to install is called Llama GPT, which is an open source application that produced by Meta.
At first, you need to go to olama.com website. In here, press on the download button. Based on your operating system, you need to download your file. I'm going to download it for Windows. I click on the setup file. You need to hit on the install button. After installation finish, you won't see anything. Just you will see the Olama app is recently added, and if you click on that, nothing it will be appear, because this part of the software that we installed, it is just going to run on the background. Okay, in here you need to press on GitHub and go to the GitHub website to scroll to find this part. This is the quick start, and this one is model library. In here you will see two llama trees. One of them has 8 billion parameters, and the size of that is near 5 gigabytes. If you want, you can run that one, and I actually recommend you to run the first one and install the first one, because the other one, which has 70 billion parameters, the size of that is 40 gigabytes. You have 40 gigabytes of free space on your hard drive, and you will also need more than 40 gigabytes free space in your RAM storage, because all of the parameters will be run at your RAM storage if you ask more questions. So for that, I'm going to just run this one, copy the code. The command is the same as the quick start. So by copying this one, you also copy the llama 3, which has 8 billions of parameters. So how to install it? Type command prompt. In here you need to right click. After that, hit on the enter button. Right now llama 3 is going to be downloaded for me. I need to wait until this process finished.
Now it's the time to ask some questions. I hope this video can help you. If you want to search fast on Windows, you can watch this video too. See you on the next one.